Hi, this is Dadwar, and today I'm going to show you how you can create the menu icon bar easily with HTML, CSS and font awesome. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I have here my empty file, and let's create some header, and here will be some nav wrapper, which means navigation, of course. Now we need to create 5 blocks, for example. I will call them item. Okay, item with link, and I want to create 5 items. Okay, we have 5 items now. So here is a place for link. I will do like this. Okay, now we don't have anything. Now we need to add here in each link some icon. So let's do some home icon. This is font awesome 5. I already connected to my file, so I don't spend time on it. Let's add some search. Okay, search. Let's do this one. I have 3 versions, so not much icons available for me. Okay, envelope. Let's do for email. Envelope or envelope. Okay, what else we can do? Let's add globe. Like this. Not sure for what, but you can add your own icons. And let's add some delete. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, so let's see what we have. I will save, and we have 5 icons. Okay, now let's style them. We need to go to our style. I will write right here my styles. So for now, wrapper, we need to add display flex, which will make all items in line. Okay, great. Now we need to add to items some width and height, so it will be the same. Now item width, let's do 60 pixels, and height 60 pixels. Right, let's do some background. This element works glitchy for me. Background. Okay, let's do some. Okay, let's do something like darker. I don't like this one, so I want to go to. Okay, I like something like. Oh, no, like this. Okay, looks good as for me. Not sure if you like this color. If you like these colors, click like. Okay, so now we need to style our. Okay, now we need to style our. I'm just worried about you see the issue. So item is 60 pixels and 60, but link is small, so we need to add here link. Okay, and write display block, of course. Okay, it doesn't work. It works. Okay, so now you can see that all item, all square is a link. Okay, now we should style our font awesome icon. So let's do font size like 30 pixels, I think should be good. Color, let's do white. No, white is too white. Let's do something like this. Okay, still don't like. Let's change color to something like. I'm learning design, so I'm playing around colors right now. Something like this, maybe it should work. Yeah, works better. It works much better. Okay, and here line height, I think it should work. I'm not sure. Right, it works. So also let's add text align center here. Text align center. so it's centered. Okay, I don't like the 60 pixels, it looks too small, so let's do with something like 100 pixels. Okay, great. So you can see we have some icon bar here. You can use it as menu on your website. So to make it more real, I'll add here a container which I already created styles for. Container, and I'll add Windows, and I'll add all my code inside container, so it looks more like a real website. Okay, great. So here now you can see the container. I will show you. Here is header, here is container, and right now if make it real, we can't use the fixed width, so we have 5 items and 100% is container, so 5 items each should be 20%. Okay, 20%. It should be for width. Okay, it doesn't work because I used it for A, and width I should write for this 20%, and here I don't write anything, I think. Okay, you see, now we have wider. What we can do now is that we should add some hover effect. So we copy our link and write hover, and let's do background. Actually let's do more advanced version, so it will be more beautiful. A before, actually right before, and let's add here some content, create some layer which will be overlapping our sky blue color on hover. Here we should write display block, and let's create some width 100%, and background I will do this for now. Okay, height 60 pixels, same as here. Okay, we have our before, but I'm pretty sure we should use after. Okay, so let's change this red to something more beautiful, like something like something like this. I'm not sure. Okay, let's do it same color like icon. So let's do this color. Great. Now we should create here position relative for link, and for our pseudo element position absolute. Great. Now we should create bottom. We should position it in right way. Bottom should be minus 60 pixels, so it should be on same place, because if I write bottom 0, you see it's overlapping, so we should move it on 60 pixels bottom, so we write minus 60 pixels. Great. Now here we write overflow hidden for link, so it's not visible. Cool. Now we should write here the element for hover, so we copy our pseudo element and write like this: item A, hover, and action for after, bottom 0. And you see what we have? Of course you see. Let's add some transition 5 seconds, half of 1 second, and we have this beautiful animation. Looks easy, isn't it? So now we should create hover for our icon. Let's do hover color. Color should be like this, light blue, so it will be pretty same. colors in one block. Hover like this, and same, don't forget to write transition 5 seconds, half second, sorry, 0.5. Okay, so I copied wrong color, I think. Right, here is, actually I used right color, so what's the issue? Let's, okay, because I wrote a hover for link, not for icon, not for link, so when I hover I can even hover it, you see? Okay, so we should hover for, when you hover on link, should change the icon. Okay, so it should work now. Why it doesn't work? Because our main element with icons is behind the pseudo elements, this one. So we should write here something like I'm even not sure what to write. Position relative z index 2, but not for hover, for static element. Let's try. Okay, works good. So what we just did, we did the icon with z index 2 and position relative. Okay, so let's see how it works. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? As for me, it's very beautiful. If you want, you can change transition here by adding some more seconds, for example, like 2.5 seconds. So it's like slowly moving. Okay, but for real website, half of second is really smooth process. Okay, I hope